The miracle leaf that erases wrinkles naturally. Nature's #1 collagen powerhouse. Imagine something so potent, so packed with natural collagen, that it can visibly reduce fine lines, restore firmness, and revive your skin's radiance, without a single drop of cream or a trip to the clinic. Sounds unbelievable? That's exactly what this natural leaf does. It's the only natural leaf known to remove wrinkles and the biggest source of plant-based collagen on the planet. Have you ever wondered if there's a food, just one, that could completely transform your skin's appearance on its own? Something powerful enough to firm up your face, smooth out signs of aging, and bring back your youthful glow without expensive products or invasive procedures. What many people don't know is that such an ingredient exists. It's natural, accessible, and still largely overlooked. But before we reveal what this miracle leaf is, you'll first discover a hand-picked list of other anti-aging foods. Each plays its part. Some protect, some repair, some brighten. But none come close to the final reveal, a plant so rich in collagen that many experts call it the most powerful skin-rejuvenating ingredient in nature. So, are you watching this from home, at work, or maybe while relaxing on your phone? Comment below. Food #1, pure dark cocoa, greater than or equal to 70%. If your skin has been looking dull, tired, or lacking elasticity, you're not alone. As we age, collagen production naturally slows down, and environmental stresses, like UV radiation and pollution, only accelerate the breakdown. This often shows up as fine lines, loss of firmness, and a sallow complexion. Many people turn to topical creams, but the real transformation can begin from within, starting with something as delicious as dark chocolate. Yes, pure dark cocoa, particularly with a concentration of 70% or higher, is one of the most powerful foods you can eat for your skin. Its secret weapon. Flavonoids, a class of potent antioxidants proven to nourish the skin at a cellular level. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that participants who consumed high flavonol cocoa daily showed increased blood flow to the skin, improved hydration, and enhanced density and thickness of skin layers, compared to a control group. These effects help stimulate collagen production, which is vital for smoothing out fine lines and restoring elasticity. In addition, flavonoids protect against oxidative stress, the main culprit behind premature skin aging, and enhance your skin's natural defense against UV radiation, reducing redness, sunspots, and long-term damage. However, not all chocolate is created equal. A common mistake is reaching for traditional milk chocolate or processed candy bars, which are often packed with refined sugar, milk solids, and hydrogenated fats. These additives can actually worsen skin quality, triggering inflammation and undermining the benefits of cocoa itself. To truly take advantage of cocoa's anti-aging powers, opt for unsweetened dark cocoa powder or solid dark chocolate with at least 70% cocoa content. Stir a spoonful into your morning smoothie, sprinkle it on Greek yogurt, or blend it with almond milk for a warm, antioxidant-rich drink. For a topical bonus, natural cocoa-based face masks can help revive dry, dull skin thanks to their nourishing and antioxidant effects. With consistent use, cocoa becomes more than a guilty pleasure. It's a smart, evidence-backed part of your skin-rejuvenating routine. Your complexion becomes smoother, more even, and more resilient to the elements. And as a bonus, cocoa boosts mood by stimulating the release of serotonin and dopamine, which can indirectly enhance skin glow by lowering stress, a hidden enemy of youthful skin. While cocoa powers your skin through antioxidant protection and circulation support, the next food on our list brings a powerful combination of vitamin C and polyphenol, two essential factors in supporting collagen from the inside out. Let's take a closer look at the mighty blueberry. Food #2. Blueberries. Wrinkles, sagging, and uneven skin tone are often signs that your skin is under attack, not just from age, but from something much sneakier, free radicals. These unstable molecules damage skin cells, accelerate collagen breakdown, and trigger inflammation, leaving your complexion looking tired and vulnerable. If you're also spending hours in front of screens or exposed to the sun, the damage can pile up even faster. Enter the blueberry, a tiny fruit with enormous benefits. These deep blue gems are loaded with polyphenol, especially anthocyanins, along with a healthy dose of vitamin C. Together, these compounds form a skin-protecting dream team, neutralizing free radicals, calming inflammation, and supporting your skin's collagen structure from within. Research published in journals like Nutrients and Oxidative Medicine and Cellular Longevity shows that anthocyanins help stimulate collagen production, while also protecting existing collagen fibers from oxidative degradation. Vitamin C is a well-known cofactor in collagen synthesis, meaning your body can't make collagen without it. Additionally, polyphenol in blueberries protect skin from blue light, the kind emitted by phones, tablets, and computers, that has been linked to accelerated aging and hyperpigmentation. Despite their superfood status, many people unknowingly cancel out blueberries' benefits by choosing processed blueberry juices, jams, or dried berries loaded with refined sugars. These forms spike blood sugar, increase inflammation, and undermine the very skin-healing properties you're hoping to gain. Even some frozen berries, if overly ripe or improperly stored, may lose some nutritional potency. To truly benefit, choose fresh or flash-frozen blueberries with no added sugar. Toss a handful into smoothies, oatmeal, yogurt, or salads. Their mildly sweet, tangy flavor complements a wide range of dishes, making them one of the easiest and tastiest ways to protect your skin from the inside out. Keep portions moderate and regular for best results. Consistency is key. Blueberries are especially valuable for older adults, not only because of their skin-renewing benefits, but also for their anti-inflammatory action that supports joint health, brain function, and cardiovascular stability. It's a simple change that offers beauty and health in one. Next, we'll move from surface protection to deeper cellular repair with a food rich in sulfur, the key building block of collagen. Let's take a closer look at raw garlic. Food number 3, raw garlic. If your skin feels sluggish, looks dull, or is slow to recover from breakouts or irritation, you may be facing a silent culprit: inflammation and poor circulation, both of which limit your body's ability to deliver nutrients and oxygen to the skin. Another key piece often overlooked in anti-aging care is sulfur, a mineral essential for collagen formation and cell detoxification. That's where raw garlic comes in. Known for its bold flavor and long-standing medicinal history, raw garlic is packed with sulfur-containing compounds, especially allicin, which supports collagen production and enhances blood flow, two essential factors for maintaining firm, youthful-looking skin. Biochemically, sulfur plays a critical role in the formation of disulfide bonds, the molecular glue that helps hold collagen strands together. Without enough sulfur in the diet, collagen fibers weaken, leading to wrinkles, sagging, and a dull complexion. Additionally, garlic's antioxidant properties help neutralize free radicals, reducing oxidative stress, the same kind that accelerates aging and breaks down healthy skin structures. Clinical research, including studies from institutions such as the Journal of Medicinal Food, has shown that garlic not only improves vascular function but also enhances the immune response, both of which are crucial for skin renewal. Better blood flow means more oxygen and nutrients reach skin cells, speeding up regeneration and giving your face that natural, healthy glow. However, a common mistake is cooking garlic at high temperatures, which destroys allicin and reduces its therapeutic effects. Another issue is overconsumption, which can irritate the stomach and lead to digestive discomfort, especially in sensitive individuals. To gain the most benefits without the side effects, garlic should be consumed raw, ideally on an empty stomach for maximum absorption. You can crush a small clove and mix it with a teaspoon of extra virgin olive oil or a bit of pure honey to soften the taste. If you're using garlic in meals, add it toward the end of cooking or sprinkle raw minced garlic over warm dishes to preserve its active compounds. Over time, incorporating a small amount of raw garlic into your daily routine can lead to visibly firmer, clearer skin with improved tone and fewer signs of fatigue. Its anti-inflammatory effects also help reduce redness, acne flare-ups, and irritation, especially useful for those dealing with sensitive or reactive skin. From garlic's potent internal repair and collagen-boosting effects, we move on to a familiar kitchen staple with equally surprising benefits for your skin. Let's explore the anti-aging power of raw red onion. Food number 4. Raw red onion. When your skin looks puffy, uneven, or constantly irritated, It might be reacting to more than just surface-level issues. Oxidative stress, chronic inflammation, and sluggish blood circulation can silently wear down skin health, leading to accelerated aging, dull tone, and buildup of toxins that show up as breakouts or discoloration. Fortunately, there's a humble kitchen staple that can help reset that internal imbalance. Raw red onion. While often overlooked, red onions are rich in quercetin, a powerful flavonoid known for its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Quercetin acts as a cellular bodyguard, shielding skin cells from free radical damage and calming inflammation that contributes to redness, acne, and premature aging. Scientific studies published in Food and Function and Nutrients highlight quercetin's ability to improve microcirculation, the critical flow of blood in small vessels that nourish the skin. Better circulation means more oxygen and nutrients are delivered to the surface, promoting healing and rejuvenation from the inside out. Red onions also help detoxify the body, thanks to their natural sulfur compounds and liver-supporting effects. A well-functioning liver helps clear toxins more efficiently, and less toxic buildup means your skin can focus on repair instead of reacting to internal stressors. The result: a clearer, more vibrant complexion with fewer blemishes and less puffiness. That said, a common mistake is cooking red onions until soft or caramelized. While tasty, heat degrades quercetin and significantly reduces its benefits. Another pitfall is eating large quantities of raw onion too quickly, which can overwhelm the digestive system and cause gas or discomfort, especially in people with sensitive stomachs. To use red onions effectively for skin health, aim for small daily portions, finely sliced or chopped, and added raw to salads, dressings, or cold sides. Pairing onion with lemon juice or olive oil not only enhances the flavor but also increases absorption of antioxidants. If the taste is too sharp, try soaking slices in cold water for 10 minutes before using. They'll still retain most of their nutrients. Raw red onion offers a potent combination of detox, circulation support, and inflammation control, making it an ideal addition to any anti-aging diet. With consistent use, you'll likely notice smoother skin, improved tone, and fewer flare-ups. From the bold bite of red onion, we now turn to a naturally sweet root packed with vibrant antioxidants and blood sugar balancing fiber, purple sweet potato. Food number 5. Purple sweet potato. Wrinkles and sagging skin aren't just caused by age or sun exposure. They're also the result of a hidden biological process called glycation. When blood sugar levels spike, sugar molecules bind to collagen and elastin fibers, stiffening and degrading them. The result: loss of elasticity, fine lines, and darkened pigment spots over time. For aging skin, blood sugar control is just as critical as antioxidants. That's why the purple sweet potato is such a powerful addition to your diet. Unlike regular white potatoes, this vibrant root is packed with anthocyanins, the same class of antioxidants that give blueberries their rich color, along with beta-carotene and fiber, all of which directly contribute to slowing skin aging. Anthocyanins have been shown in studies, including research published in Molecular Nutrition and Food Research, to have anti-glycation properties, meaning they help prevent the very sugar-related damage that breaks down collagen. Beta-carotene, a precursor to vitamin A, supports skin cell regeneration, helping to fade spots, renew texture, and improve overall tone. And fiber. It helps stabilize blood sugar, reducing glycation at the source. Unfortunately, the health benefits of purple sweet potatoes are often negated by how they're prepared. A common mistake is frying them or adding sugar, cinnamon syrup, or marshmallows, methods that spike blood sugar and counteract their natural anti-aging properties. To reap their full skin-supporting potential, boil, bake, or steam purple sweet potatoes, then enjoy them in savory dishes or natural juices. Blend them into soups, roast them with olive oil and herbs, or add small chunks to a grain bowl or salad. Their subtle sweetness needs no enhancement, especially when your goal is smooth, firm, youthful-looking skin. With regular intake, purple sweet potatoes help reduce inflammation, brighten skin tone, and protect collagen structure by tackling one of the most silent causes of premature aging. Their benefits are cumulative and gentle, making them an ideal staple for long-term skin and metabolic health. These 5 foods, dark cocoa, blueberries, garlic, red onion, and purple sweet potato, are all powerful in their own right. But none quite compare to one extraordinary leaf that scientists now recognize as nature's most concentrated plant-based source of collagen. Let's uncover the miracle behind this game-changing ingredient. The miracle leaf, Ora pro nobis leaf, the only natural leaf that removes wrinkles. When it comes to skin aging, especially in mature adults, the challenges often go deeper than just fine lines. Significant collagen loss, sagging, and deep wrinkles signal that the skin's structural integrity has weakened. Topical treatments might offer temporary hydration, but they can't rebuild from within. For that, you need something more foundational. Something truly transformational. That's where the Ora pro nobis leaf earns its title as the only natural leaf that removes wrinkles and the richest plant-based source of collagen ever identified. What sets this leafy green apart is its unmatched nutritional density. Unlike most vegetables, which offer modest protein content, Ora pro nobis leaf boasts up to 25% protein, with a complete amino acid profile necessary for collagen synthesis. It's also rich in vitamin C, a key cofactor in collagen formation, and contains antioxidants, mucilage, natural plant gels, that hydrate and regenerate skin, anti-inflammatory compounds, and minerals like iron and calcium that support tissue repair and vitality. Emerging scientific analyses have confirmed that this leaf stimulates skin regeneration not just through collagen activation, but also by improving microcirculation, reducing oxidative damage, and supporting the gut-skin axis, a crucial link between digestion and clear, radiant skin. Its prebiotic content feeds beneficial gut bacteria, enhancing nutrient absorption and reducing systemic inflammation, both of which directly impact skin quality. However, despite its potential, Ora pro nobis leaf is still underutilized, often relegated to a rare herbal garnish or overcooked in traditional dishes. This boils off key nutrients, rendering its benefits ineffective. Another oversight is failing to include it regularly in the diet, which limits its cumulative, wrinkle-reducing effects. To unlock its full potential, Ora pro nobis leaf should be consumed frequently and gently prepared. Try it sautéed lightly in olive oil, blended into green juices, folded into omelets, or dried and used as flour in breads or crackers. Because it's hardy and easy to grow, even in backyard gardens, it's also a sustainable, accessible option for long-term use. With consistent inclusion, users have reported fewer wrinkles, restored firmness, and more even glowing skin, results that go beyond what most creams or supplements can offer. Additionally, improvements in digestion, immune health, and energy levels often accompany regular use, thanks to its comprehensive nutrient profile. This miracle leaf represents more than just another superfood. It's a holistic skin renewal ally, deeply rooted in traditional nutrition but now validated by modern science. For those seeking to age naturally, healthily, and beautifully, Ora pro nobis leaf is a game changer. Aging gracefully doesn't mean accepting declining skin. It means nourishing your body with what it truly needs to stay resilient and radiant. Each food in this guide addresses a different layer of the aging process, from restoring collagen to calming inflammation and feeding the skin at a cellular level. What makes this approach powerful is its simplicity. These are natural, accessible, plant-based whole foods, deeply aligned with American wellness values. Anti-aging, holistic care, and sustainable habits. You don't need expensive creams or drastic procedures, just consistency, curiosity, and the courage to support your body from the inside out. The Ora nobis leaf, in particular, stands apart, not as a gimmick, but as a scientifically supported powerhouse that restores firmness and clarity in a way no synthetic product can. It's time we rediscover the medicine hidden in our gardens and markets. So here's the question. Are you ready to make today the day you reclaim younger-looking skin from within? Start with one habit. Add one food. Watch your skin, and your confidence renew itself.